Hello everybody, it's Dr. Alan Bauman from Bauman Medical Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center here in Boca Raton, Florida, and I'm super excited to be with you today because we're celebrating now our 25th year in practice. And wow, it seems like it's gone so fast. Those 25 years, we've treated over 30,000 patients, done over 10,000 procedures. But when I first started here in Boca Raton, Florida, with 0 patients and 0 staff, we came to town just with the idea that we're going to start to change people's lives for the better. So join me as we look back upon the 25 years in practice here at Bauman Medical, those people who've changed lives, and also my team, and how it's grown over that time.
Congratulations, Doc.
Congratulations, Doc.
Congratulations, Doc.
On Bauman Medical's
On Bauman Medical's
25th year.
25th year.
Bauman Medical's 25th year. Hi, my name is Liz Ash. I'm the Director of Consulting Division here at Bauman Medical. When Dr. Bauman first started his practice, he was quite the visionary, and he still is. And over the years, Dr. Bauman has come to understand that one man can't just do it all, and I'm proud to be on that team.
I'm Felipe Reynoso. I'm a surgical tech here at Bauman Medical. He's given me opportunities to prove myself over and over again. He mentors me, at least when it comes to trying to master my craft, whether it's using new devices like the Trevolini or bringing in other technicians in to show us other types of procedures that we can, of course, master, such as PRP treatments, or as well as PDO grow, and going forward, exosomes and other types of new hair treatments.
Hi, I'm Tara Blick, and I am a patient advocate at Bauman Medical. I have seen quite a transformation happen over the years. We started at a smaller practice in Boca, and our practice just seemed to grow leaps and bounds every single year. I think surprisingly the culture here at Bauman Medical has remained the same. We have really been so fortunate and lucky to have such an incredible team come on board, you know, in terms of all the employees. I think that we all work so well together, almost like a second family, and so I think in that respect we've had great success.
One of the things I'm most proud of is the innovations in hair restoration treatments and procedures that we pioneered here at Bauman Medical Group, whether it's minimally invasive hair transplant surgery using follicular unit extraction, robotic hair transplants, or biotherapy, regenerative medicine like platelet-rich plasma, and those other kinds of treatments. It's something we're always looking forward to the future, trying to get the best treatments and procedures done for our patients. One of the most exciting things we've done here at Bauman Medical Group over the years is to provide pro bono hair restoration treatments and procedures for those who are in need. So women with cancer chemotherapy, hair loss, injured military veterans, burn victims, dog bites, car accidents, eyelashes, eyebrows, and scalp injuries are just some of the things we've helped treat over the years, and it's been exciting to help do that. So we never set out to achieve awards and accolades. We just tried to change patient lives one at a time. But over the years, we've been blessed with some nice recognition from not only our peers in the world of hair transplant surgery and aesthetic procedures and treatments in general, but also small business community and others who have acknowledged the work that we do here at Bauman Medical.
Hi, Dr. Bauman. Robert Dominic here. Congratulations on 25 years in practice at Bauman Medical. You're always on the leading edge and cutting edge of technology at hair restoration and the ultimate patient experience. Thank you for all you've given back. and we appreciate you very much. We look forward to seeing what you have over the next 25 years coming up. Thank you.
Hey, Dr. Bauman, Spencer Speck Stevenson here, and I wanted to take a moment to congratulate you on your 25th year in practice at Bauman Medical. As a hair loss and hair transplant advisor, I've seen a lot of hair transplant surgeons come and go in this industry, so achieving this milestone is a tremendous accomplishment. Keep up the great work, and here's to another 25 years.
Hi, Alan. Congratulations on your 25 years in practice at Bauman Medical. 2 hair transplants from you. You changed my life, you're a great friend, and you're a pioneer. Thank you.
Hey there, it's Dr. Alan Bauman from Bauman Medical Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center, and I've put together an incredible team of caring and professional people and the most outrageously advanced technology to help you restore your own living and growing hair. If you've got a hair loss concern or question, I invite you to start today. Contact us right here at Bauman Medical in Boca Raton, Florida.